If your plants seem weaker than usual, this could be one possible reason. This type of problem is frequently associated with Blumeria graminis. Notable symptoms include symptoms progress from the lower leaves upward and can appear at any stage of plant growth. They are characterized by white, fuzzy patches on the leaves, stems, and flower heads. These powdery areas actually appear before chlorotic, or yellowing spots develop on the plant tissue, spots that can easily be overlooked during field inspections. In some crop varieties, the patches may instead appear as large, raised pustules. As the fungus completes its life cycle, these powdery areas turn grayish-brown. Late in the season, visible black spots may appear among the white patches. These can be seen clearly under a magnifying glass upon closer inspection. Older, lower leaves often show the most severe symptoms because of the higher humidity levels surrounding them. It can develop when conditions such as these occur. Symptoms are caused by the fungus times Blumeria graminis, an obligate biotroph that can only grow and reproduce on a living host. In the absence of a host, it survives between growing seasons as dormant structures on crop residues in the field. In addition to cereals, it can colonize dozens of other plant species, which can serve as bridges between growing seasons. When conditions become favorable, the fungus resumes growth and produces spores that are dispersed by wind to healthy plants. Once a spore lands on a leaf, it germinates and develops feeding structures that extract nutrients from host cells to support fungal growth. Relatively cool, humid conditions, around 95% humidity, along with cloudy weather favor its development. However, leaf moisture is not required for spore germination and can actually inhibit it. The ideal temperature range is 16 degrees Celsius to 21 degrees Celsius, while temperatures above 25 degrees Celsius are unfavorable. There are no known quarantine regulations for this pathogen because of its widespread distribution and airborne nature. Dense planting, excessive nitrogen fertilization, and continuous monoculture create favorable conditions for the development of powdery mildew. Many gardeners start with natural solutions like milk solutions have been successfully used by small-scale organic growers and home gardeners to treat powdery mildew. Milk is diluted with water, typically at a ratio of 1:10, and sprayed onto susceptible plants at the first sign of infection or as a preventive measure. Weekly applications are necessary to help control or eliminate the disease. If the issue worsens, stronger treatments may include, whenever possible, consider combining preventive measures with biological treatments. Seed treatments using difenoconazole, followed by flutriafol or tridiconazole, are used to protect wheat against this and other fungal diseases. Chemical control can be achieved with fungicides such as fenpropidin, phenerimol, tebuconazole, cyproconazole, and propiconazole. Another protective strategy involves treating crops with silicon or calcium-based silicate solutions to help strengthen the plant's resistance to the pathogen. To avoid similar problems later, select disease-resistant varieties if available. Avoid sowing too early in the season. Adjust planting density to ensure good air circulation and reduce humidity. Monitor the field regularly to detect early signs of the disease. Carefully manage nitrogen fertilization, as excessive nitrogen in the soil can promote pathogen development. Plan crop rotations using non-host plants, remove volunteer plants, and weeds from the field to help disrupt the pathogen's life cycle. Incorporate silicon or calcium silicate into your fertilization program to strengthen plant resistance. In short, white, fuzzy patches appear on the leaves, stems, and blossoms. On some crops, these patches may instead develop as large raised pustules. These powdery areas turn grayish-brown as the disease progresses. Late in the season, distinct black spots may appear among the white patches. Stay tuned for more practical plant care advice.